Hello everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, the channel dedicated to helping you create the outdoor haven of your dreams. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you dreaming of a beautiful, stylish garden but dread the thought of endless weeding, pruning, and watering? What if I told you that you could have a stunning magazine-worthy outdoor space that practically takes care of itself? Today, we're diving into the world of the low-maintenance modern garden, your ticket to effortless outdoor living. Get ready to reclaim your weekends. A low-maintenance modern garden is a design philosophy that marries contemporary aesthetics, characterized by clean lines, geometric shapes, and a minimalist palette with practical, labor-saving elements. It's fundamentally about efficiency. This style minimizes traditional, high-effort features like expansive, thirsty lawns, complex perennial borders, or intricate pruning, in favor of hardscaping, structured planting, and durable, easy-care materials. The focus is on creating defined zones for seating and entertaining, utilizing a simple, impactful plant palette, and relying on materials like concrete, stone, timber, gravel, and artificial turf. The goal is a highly functional, visually striking outdoor space that demands very little time to keep it looking perfect year-round. It is a true extension of your modern, indoor living space, optimized for relaxation rather than chores. The most obvious benefit of this design is the huge reduction in time and effort required for upkeep. Less weeding, less watering, and less seasonal planting mean more time for enjoying your space. Beyond saving time, these gardens often translate to lower water bills because they typically incorporate drought-tolerant plants and substantial hardscaping, reducing the need for constant irrigation. The defined structure, often achieved through raised beds and clean borders, also makes for easier gardening tasks when they are needed, as everything has its place. Furthermore, the focus on high-quality, durable materials like composite decking or treated wood means less repair and replacement over time. Overall, a low-maintenance modern garden offers a stress-free environment, delivering maximum aesthetic impact with minimal ongoing commitment. Decorating a low-maintenance modern garden beautifully is all about texture, simplicity, and structure. Start by focusing on built-in elements like clean, rendered raised beds, integrated seating made from durable wood or concrete, and defined patio zones using large-format paving stones. The key is to use a limited, sophisticated palette, think whites, grays, charcoals, and natural wood tones. Introduce vertical interest with slatted wooden fencing or privacy screens, which also act as stunning backdrops for your minimal planting. Lighting is crucial. Install subtle, integrated LED strip lights under benches and along borders like the ones we see in a moment, to highlight the garden's architecture at night. Finally, select a few statement decorative items, such as a modern water feature made of corten steel or a couple of bold, geometric planters, but avoid clutter to maintain the clean, contemporary aesthetic. The best plants for this style are those that require minimal fuss, pruning, and water, while still offering strong structure and textural contrast. Look for architectural plants with year-round interest. Excellent choices include drought-tolerant grasses like miscanthus or stipa, which move beautifully in the breeze. Succulents and sedums are fantastic for sunny, dry areas and raised beds. For evergreen structure, consider boxwood balls, buxus, for geometric shaping, or small, columnar trees like olive trees for Mediterranean flair. Instead of mass planting, use these plants in strategic blocks or as singular focal points against the backdrop of clean hardscaping. This deliberate, restrained planting palette ensures high impact with very low input. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best low-maintenance modern garden ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. One modern entryway with geometric hardscaping. This image showcases superb use of contrasting materials. Large concrete pavers flanked by dark river pebbles create a structured path, while a bed of bright white gravel highlights low-growing, drought-tolerant grasses. The rusty corten steel edge provides a fantastic, warm boundary against the clean green lawn. This is a powerful architectural look that minimizes planting space for maximum impact. 2. Sleek patio and structured turf. A stunning example of contemporary symmetry. This expansive design features a large, light gray paved patio contrasting sharply with a perfectly manicured lawn and geometric raised beds. The clean white planters and dark fencing create a sophisticated, neutral backdrop, allowing the lush green of the artificial or highly maintained turf to pop. The pergola adds a dedicated zone for relaxation and shade. 3. Cottage garden meets garden room. A perfect blend of structured paving and naturalistic, low-maintenance planting. The garden features several planting pockets within a clean, brick-paved patio, creating visual interest without the need for vast borders. The highlight is the adjacent garden room or shed, which acts as a stylish, contemporary focal point and a dedicated escape. 4. Charcoal paving and water feature contrast. This modern garden uses large, dark charcoal-colored paving stones to create a bold, reflective surface, perfectly setting off the bright, synthetic lawn area. The white, contemporary raised planters house low-effort palms and greenery, while a striking slate water feature adds the soothing element of sound without demanding intensive planting maintenance. 5. Urban zen with built-in seating. An excellent solution for smaller urban spaces. The design emphasizes built-in structure with a long, L-shaped wooden bench integrated into a gray, rendered raised planter wall. The simple palette of wood, gray and green is effortlessly chic. The structured planting, featuring clipped bay trees and a boxwood hedge, requires minimal pruning and offers year-round form. 6. Architectural front yard landscape. Demonstrating how to use a minimalist material palette to create maximal interest. The design features a path of slate pavers leading through beds filled with textural river pebbles. The planting is dominated by striking, wispy ornamental grasses and textural plants, which require very little water or care once established, offering a soft, contemporary contrast to the sharp lines of the modern home exterior. 7. Dramatic night lighting. This image highlights how crucial lighting is in a low-maintenance design. Clean, horizontal timber fencing provides privacy and a rustic backdrop. Integrated LED strip lighting runs along the edge of the lawn and under the raised beds, dramatically highlighting the easy care grasses and palms, turning the garden into a cozy, illuminated outdoor room at night. 8. Formal structure and lush greenery. An incredibly sophisticated, formal design that achieves low maintenance through highly structured planting. Large, sculpted hedges and box balls define the space, requiring only periodic clipping. The use of large, simple lawn areas and substantial trees provides a sense of scale and maturity, with the elegant stone wall and modern seating area offering a serene private retreat. 9. Gravel beds and corten steel water feature. A beautiful example of a contemporary gravel garden. The use of bright, pale gravel significantly cuts down on water usage and weeding. A striking rusted corten steel cube water feature provides an artistic focal point, contrasting with the dark fencing and modern paver steps. The planting is sparse and textural, relying on ornamental grasses and alliums for dramatic flair. 10. Outdoor kitchen and defined zones. This design successfully divides the space into clear, low-maintenance zones. A paved area for dining or seating complete with a built-in outdoor fireplace or barbecue, a defined strip of artificial turf and clean, high-raised beds. The combination of warm timber cladding and rendered white or gray walls creates a modern, durable, and highly functional space perfect for entertaining with minimal upkeep. We've seen that embracing a low-maintenance modern garden style doesn't mean sacrificing beauty. It means elevating your design to a new level of sophistication and efficiency. By choosing the right hardscaping, selecting architectural and drought-tolerant plants, and simplifying your decor, you can create a truly stunning outdoor sanctuary that frees you from constant garden chores. It's time to put down the trowel and pick up a cool drink. If you found these ideas inspiring, please hit that like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more revolutionary garden and home decor ideas. Which of the 10 gardens was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss our next upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.